Good morning, everyone. I'm Bhavani, doctor and entrepreneur by profession. Today, I would like to share about the most panicking epidemic, coronavirus. Instead of getting panic about the coronavirus and its circumstances, as a doctor, I would suggest one of the important preventive measure is to have a healthy immune system, and every one of us are blessed with it. Immune system is the first line of defense against virus or any disease or any infection in our body. So first let us try boosting our immune system and then fight against the virus. So here are few tips to boost our immune system. The first thing is, please try to take vitamin C rich supplement and also vitamin C rich foods like berries, tomatoes, bell peppers, lemon, kiwi, orange, and most importantly Indian gooseberry amla. Along with that, also try taking zinc and selenium rich foods like all your nuts and seeds, badam, pista, walnuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds, or you can just simply take it in the form of supplement also, because they all help in boosting our immune system in our body. And also, if you're already having any underlying deficiencies like vitamin B, vitamin C, and most importantly vitamin D also plays an important role in protecting our immune system by staying balanced during cold and flu. Along with this, wash your hands regularly, use hand sanitizer, use mouth mask whenever you're in public or in crowds, and also stay hydrated. So coming to physical activity, as a doctor I believe this is something beyond supplements and nutrition, be it dealing with any kind of virus or bacteria or disease or whatever. We need to address the cause because it is something beyond. So along with the nutrition and supplements, physical activity especially plays a very important role by helping in proper blood circulation to all the organs and also help in flushing out all the toxins lying in our respiratory system, so which is now very important. So please try to get some physical activity. And the next important thing is your stress management. Please don't panic about the situation. The more stressed we are, the more compromised our immune system gets. So which is not at all good in the present situation. So just be calm, practice some mindfulness like meditation, yoga, and most importantly there is something called pranayama, in that there is Kapalabhati pranayama, also known as belly breathing. So the good news is that 80% of our immune cells are actually located in the digestive folds, which is nothing but the intestines in our body. So the more belly breathing we do, it is like we are boosting up our immune system, which is very important for us now. And my last point would be, most important thing is sleep. Try having 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep, because it is the time when all the repair and rebuilding in our body, especially the immune system, is actually being done. I think this video helps. Please try to follow all the measures and stay healthy and safe. Thank you.